Hello friends, and if you have recently installed TikTok and you are finding the interface very difficult and looking for some cool tricks that can help you start your TikTok journey with the cool effects and duet videos and the perfect lip sync songs that you want to sing, do make sure that you watch this entire video because I'm going to talk about the top 7 tips and tricks for every TikTok beginner users. So my name is Ashish, you are watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. The very first trick in the list is to upload video from gallery, and we all know that it's difficult to record or create a video instantly. At times like this, you can upload old videos from your gallery, and to do so, launch the TikTok app and then hit the add button at the bottom of the screen. On the camera screen, tap on the upload button and select the video that you would want to upload and then press next. In case you want to upload and join multiple videos, tap on select multiple option at the bottom left corner and then select as many videos as you would want. Change the length of the individual clip in this step, and you can also change the speed of the video. And once you are done, just tap on the next button. You can also apply various effects to your videos here and finally tap on the next button to give it a caption and then publish. Moving on, the next trick is about creating slideshow. And instead of downloading a separate app to create videos from the photos that you have in your gallery, you can make the best of the TikTok app to create a slideshow. To do so, open the TikTok app and then tap on the add icon at the bottom and again tap on the upload icon. On the upload screen, tap on the image tab and select the images that you would want to use to create a slideshow, and finally hit the slideshow icon on the top right hand side. You can also add effects, change the sound and intro animation, and finalize your slideshow. And once you are done, click on the next button and then follow the usual steps. Moving on, the third trick is about downloading someone else's video. And while TikTok is an amazing application to discover videos, at times you would want to share them or download it on your phone, and thankfully you can do both the things easily. The easiest way is to go to the video that you would want to download and tap on the share icon on the top right hand side. Now if you want to share the video with an app, select it from the top carousel. To download it on your phone, just tap on the save video button. Currently, the only way to save your video right now is to publish them first and then follow the above steps. Moving on, the next trick is about creating perfect lip sync videos. And one of the main features of TikTok is to create lip sync videos. It's not an easy task to accurately sync your recording with a song. However, there are always ways by which you can edit videos correctly. Once you pick up a song, tap on the scissors icon on the right side to select the portion of the song that you would want to include in your video. And similarly, once you have recorded a video, press the scissor icon again to define when the song should start. The next trick is about using a song from someone else's lip sync video. And quite often we would like a song from someone else's lip sync video and would want to use it to create our own version. And instead of searching for the song in the TikTok's library, you can start recording directly. To do so, tap on the circle with the album art at the bottom right corner and then tap on the record option. It's very simple and it's right there in front of you whenever you want it. Moving on, the next trick is to star in a duet video. And suppose you and your friend are in different countries, different places, and you want to create a duet video, you don't have to go through the hassle of recording videos individually and then spend hours trying to sync both of them. You can use the duet feature of the app. To do so, open a video from which you want to create a duet and then tap on the share icon and select duet. That's it. Now all you need to do is make a video as you would typically do and share it as a duet video. Moving on, the next trick is to record the videos without holding the record button. And it's not always convenient to hold the record button on the app while you're shooting a video. And to avoid this, you can use the timer feature. Once enabled, the video will start recording automatically after a few seconds. And to do so, on the video capture screen, tap on the timer icon and then hit the start countdown button. Very simple yet very powerful. So those were some of the cool tips and tricks for the TikTok beginners out there. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do hit that red subscribe button for more such cool videos. And that's all in this one, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day.